Today we're going to learn a couple of more fun commands in Linux. So let's start. Okay, so I'm in this directory called YouTube in my documents. I created it. Okay, so let's create a couple of folders here. One, two. So one thing to note is that I'm creating two-level deep directories. So if you just do it like this, it's not going to work because you don't have this directory. So you can't just assume that it exists and then create directory under it. So what you have to do for that is to pass this -p flag that basically says, you know what, just create as many directories deep as is specified. Meaning that, you'll create this directory and then create this directory. Okay, so now let's create a file inside of it. Say lol.txt. Okay, so now let's write some data into that file. Well, first let me show you that this file exists. There you go, we just created it. Okay, so now let's write some data into it. Hello everyone. This stands for append. This just one of them. It's for writing. So let's say if we do something like this. Okay, so now if we do cat, we get hello everyone, right? Let's say we redo the same command, like hello everyone today. What else? Cat. Hello everyone today. See, like it completely overrode the whole thing. While appending it, for example, we'll actually append. Let's see, cat. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed that I press some buttons and just like I can do something like this. You see I can search my previous commands. You see it says reverse search. In order to get the same features, all you have to do is just press Control R. Control R, and then you can just type one of your commands. Like in this case, I type 1. It does the fuzzy search, and it just searches your previous commands. It's a very useful command, so try to learn it. Try to remember it. Okay. So now let's see. What do we have? Okay, we have hello everyone today. Hello panda. Okay. Let's create another file with txt. We're gonna create in the current directory, and let's write some data like hello YouTube, right? With txt. Okay, let's see. There you go. All right. So all this was to learn this new command called grep. It's one of the most useful commands in Linux. You guys are gonna use it all the time, so make sure you know it very well. For all the options you can write grep help. Maybe I guess the help for this command is not as useful. Okay, so let me show you some of the commands. So let's say we want to search for all the occurrences of hello in this directory. So one way we can do this is to say something like this. So if you just go like this, we're not gonna find anything. Basically what we do is, the way the grep works is, let me just show you the easy one first. So let's say we want to grep for this YouTube. So what we can do, we can write something like this. We basically just say grep, then the keyword that we're looking for, and then we can just specify the search path, right? So let's say if you say something like this, you will say, okay, search keyword YouTube in this file, right? And it found it. We can specify a flag to say which line that we want to see the line, where it occurs. There you go. Tells us it's in the first line. I mean, in this case, not as useful, but like when you have a huge file with 10,000 lines, it might be much more useful. But one thing we can do also, we can search everywhere with the wildcard. There you go. You see one thing it tells us, it says, hey, one is a directory, so I can search it. in order to search inside all the directories, basically recursively, meaning like, you know, go through 1, 2, all that stuff, we can specify -r flag, meaning recursive, you know. There you go. So let's look for hello, because we know it's deep down the tree. Here you go. Our hello is down into the folders. Which now let's learn one more thing. In our wood file, we see our hello starts with a capital letter, right? So it does not much here. But there is a way to do it so that we can search for like case insensitive search. So in order to do that, we specify I means insensitive. So we say recursive and it's case insensitive search. So there you go. You see now it finds the hello in the file in this directory, and then hello in the recursive directories. Okay, I think that's enough for this class. Alright, see you later.